All right, everybody, this is Dr. John coming from ZOVA. We're here to talk a little bit about our TMJ workshop that we have coming up. With this video, we're just going to kind of demo a little bit of some of the stuff that we're going to be going over when we do our workshop. So, like I said in the last video, we're going to talk about, the lifestyle modifications, the posture modifications. We're going to show you how to kind of check yourself to see how your jaw is doing and how to treat yourself by working on muscles and doing exercises to strengthen your jaw and your neck. So what Lindsay's going to be showing us today is what we call a movement screen. So this is a screen that we're all going to learn to check and see how well our jaw moves. So what she's going to do, she's going to open her jaw as wide as she can, and she's going to start off by putting 2 knuckles in between her top and her bottom teeth. Okay, so that's good. Now full range of motion for the jaw, we should be able to put 3 knuckles. So now she's going to try that. And she can do it. Now a lot of us may not be able to do that. Now if we find that we're not able to, one of the things we're going to go over at the workshop is how to loosen up the muscles that may be restricting your jaw and not letting it open all the way. So now Lindsay's going to show us how to do that. So the 2 muscle groups that we're going to work on are what are called the temporalis muscles, which are kind of up in our hairline over our ears, and then the masseter muscles, which are kind of in our cheeks. So first Lindsay's going to show us how to work on the temporalis muscles. She's going to push in and up and then slowly open her jaw, and that's going to stretch those muscles. So the way that you find these muscles is you find your cheekbones and you go just above that, kind of around the temple areas. You push in and up and then stretch your jaw open wide. Now the next group of muscles, these are going to be kind of right here in her cheeks. So the way that you find these is you find your cheekbones and then you go downwards. So she's going to do the same type of pressure. She's going to push in and up and then slowly stretch her jaw. And this is how we work on the masseter muscles. All right. So guys, that's just a little sample of what we're going to be showing at the TMJ workshop. Make sure you go to the Facebook page or the Eventbrite page, and we'll have some links underneath this video for how to do that. Go ahead and get signed up because space is limited. We hope to see you there.